that's what I have my students do is I say identify communities of interest, and then look for the network of influence. Who's connected with who in a corporation? Because most influence is not linear. It's like, you know, Sid reports to Mary, Mary reports to Edna. That's corporate chain of command. But any organization is like, okay, you know, Sid reports to Mary, but Mary, when she's got a quandary, calls her best friend in Idaho. Her best friend gives her some advice. Then Mary goes and talks to Jill over in HR. And if you want to be influential in a corporation, you start noticing who speaks to whom when they want advice on different topics. And networks will vary depending on the topic. You know, where do I go to eat? Well, there's usually somebody in the office who's tried everything and has the whole manila folder full of menus, right? I tell my students when they do their internships to walk around, if they have nothing to do, and it's harder obviously these days because of quarantine.
Right.
But at least you'll go on LinkedIn, introduce yourself to somebody else in the company who you've never met. Hi, I'm interning in your company. I'd love to learn what you do. Do you have 10 minutes for a Zoom? Right? Now, one, it's building your network, but two, it's also learning about this other person. What are their interests and making note of that someplace. And so basically starting to build a network of influence one strand at a time, as opposed to, you know, like you said, leadership by fiat. Hey, everyone, do this.